Hello friends, welcome in Research Needs. In this video we will see how to download Mendeley Desktop, this one. We will come to Google and here we will search researchsop.com. Enter. So we will find researchsop.com. Here you will find the download option in tab. So in that you have to go softwares. So you click this. Here the first item you will find Mendeley new version that you don't want. You have to go down. Here the 12th item you have to click first. I have to download it. It take a moment, then you will get the software. So here you can see it is downloaded. That you have zip file you will get, that you have to cut and go at desktop again. You have to make a folder. In that you have to paste and extract it. Extract here option you will find after. Right click. So you will get the software. You have to double click on this software. Next, I agree. Next, install. So it is already installed in my laptop, so there is no need to process all this. Now you have to register from here. When you click register, you have to add your mail ID and continue. So this is how you can register. Once you register in that, when you click Mendeley Desktop, you will find the interface like this. So here you have to add only the email ID. Add your password and sign in. Here you will find your Mendeley Desktop option. This is how you can install Mendeley Desktop, and now you can operate easily. How was the video? Please do comment. If you have any query, write your question in comment box. I will definitely give the answer. Thank you for watching Research Need. Thank you very much.